check this out too. Oh yeah, look at that. Very cool. Good afternoon, everybody. We are in Linville. I think actually the town's called Linville Falls, but we are taking the Linville Falls Trail today. So what we've been doing is we've been driving down the Blue Ridge Parkway and doing some hikes and seeing some views along the way. So this is one of the top places to go. Linville Falls, 0.4 miles. That's not bad. So there's a sign here, but trail's right here. So yeah, so we've been driving along the Blue Ridge Parkway, get some awesome views. If you didn't see any of those videos, go back, you can watch some of those too. But we're here just to do the Linville Falls Trail. So this might be a pretty quick video. I know it wasn't a long hike, but I wasn't sure how long. So 0.4 miles, not too long. But unfortunately, it looks like we got a downhill to start, so it means an uphill on the way back. So we're here at the very end of September 2023. Beautiful weather, probably high 60s. Just nice and cool and comfy. Almost long sleeve weather, just depending on what type of creature you are. So we're here to see the falls. I don't know much about it. Don't know how big it is, or I didn't really look at pictures. I just know that it's good, and this is like one of the big things you need to see on the Blue Ridge Parkway. So let's go ahead, get our feet under us here, and get some steps going. Oh, jeez. These squirrels here on the Blue Ridge Parkway are loud, dropping walnuts on us, just about, sticks, all sorts of things, acorns, yeah. So don't mess around with the squirrels here. Yeah.
Uphill on the way back.
What?
Uphill on the way back.
Yeah, we got an uphill all the way back. But we'll just push through for the views. Not your views, our views. But hopefully that leads to your views of our views. Bit of a tree came down there, it looks like. Ooh. Okay, I think we're starting to get close. I can hear a low rumble down in the distance. Not a far hike, obviously, half mile. Isn't gonna take most people very long, so but I can just hear a slight low rumble down the valley, so probably gonna have to go down to the bottom of the falls here, but should be worth it. People saying this is one of the best places to see here on the trail, so you gotta do it. You're in the area, you gotta see Linville Falls. Yeah, I can hear kids playing. And there's a trail right down there. So it looks like we're gonna head down there to the falls. So the Parkway, Blue Ridge Parkway has been amazing. We've been basically staying on it as much as we can. Just 2-lane road, and just beautiful trees, and it's just kind of slow going, Sunday driving the whole way. Not much of a breakdown lane if you're a biker or something, so be aware of that if you want to bike it. It's not really as bike friendly as you'd like, but also not, in parts at least, not very populated. There's been parts where we would drive for 20-30 minutes and not see another car. That was more in the Virginia area than when we got closer to this area of North Carolina. But now I can really hear some water right down there. I think there's some options to go some different places here. It's different trails now, and yeah. Somebody had asked us if the visitor center was the way we came from. So I think there's different ways.
Oh. Yeah, the visitor center is that way. And then you go the right way.
Oh, okay.
You didn't say yes, you said it was just a parking lot.
Yeah. So we need to remember that we go to the U.S. Forest Service gravel lot.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it said the falls was this way. Yeah, falls this way. Okay, so there's another sign here. So, Upper Falls, Chimney View, Overlook, Irwin View. So, yeah, Upper Falls. I have heard of Irwin View, and Chimney View I have not. Different area. So, the parking area, that's where we just came from. Yeah. So we're just gonna go to the falls down here.
He got mad. I ain't talked to him for almost a month because he was pissed off with me. How could I take his life into my hands?
See the falls. Lots of people here. This has been one of the more populated places we've been to on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I think
It's also right outside well, not right outside, but it's close to Boone, which is a pretty populated area.
Yeah, I mean, we're like maybe 30-40 minutes from Boone at this point, but one of the more accessible areas. This is also one of the more there's more stuff. There's a lot of stuff to do in and around here, so a lot more people will stay longer in this area because there's so much to do. Now I'm really starting to hear the water. Gotta get close now, right? Yeah. There we go. It's a jungle in here.
Scary.
Okay, I think we're about to get our first looks. Ooh. We're just peeking through. It's not going to reveal itself till the last minute, I think. That'll be our first glimpse right here. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Let's get on down there. No swimming, hiking, fishing, boating, or entry permitted. Here we are at the bottom. Wow. Let's check this out too. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Very cool. Here we go. Looks like you can go up here, but you just can't go into the water. Look at this. Here we go. Pretty cool. And you got the sun out, nice and warm here.
That's where the other view is.
Yeah.
See it?
Oh yeah. So if you look way up here, there's another viewpoint. And you can look this way towards us from up there. But I like the view right here. Look at that. Looks like the water's maybe slightly low.
Yeah.
Let's go down here. Peaceful. Okay, so get one last view of the other side here. We kind of took in the views of the falls, and we're gonna start heading up. Ooh. But it's fun to see this a little bit more. This side, and you can see, I don't know if you can see the people, but right about here there's a bunch of people looking down. So I wonder if there's another view down this way through this gorge. So let's go ahead and head back up. Okay, we are coming up on the end of this hike.
It actually wasn't as long going up.
No, I thought the up was gonna feel a lot bigger than it actually was. So that's the end of the hike. So I hope you like the video. Nice quick hike, good payoff right off the Blue Ridge Parkway. Easy one to do. So if you're planning on going to the Blue Ridge Parkway, put this in there. Especially if you got family, small kids. Easy one, good payoff. So if you liked it, like the video now, comment. If you have any comments, questions, you like the video, whatever. If you made it this far, just comment. It helps us out. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We got plenty more coming from here on the Blue Ridge Trail, over in Europe. Who knows where else we'll be going. So just follow our adventures with us by subscribing. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.